Toll.
Like.
Receptors.
Hi, and welcome to another video of Tell It to Your Mother. Let's get into toll-like receptors.
So what exactly are toll-like receptors? TLRs are transmembrane proteins that detect PAMPs, pathogen-associated molecular patterns, from extracellular bacteria, and they play an important role in innate immunity and were first discovered by a man named Jules Hoffman.
Jules A. Hoffman, Ph.D., is credited with discovering the first example of the toll receptor in 1996. The discovery was based on an experiment involving fruit flies and their defense reaction to fungal infection. After this discovery in fruit flies, toll-like receptors were found in mammals and other animals. In humans, there are 10 toll-like receptors, and they each help resist certain bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, which healthy people don't tend to have. It's interesting to note that plants have proteins which resemble toll-like receptors, and historically this is important because it tells us that toll-like receptors and similar host defense proteins have been around long before we came to be.
They're a crucial part of an innate defense mechanism against outside invaders, but not all cells have them. Toll-like receptors are expressed on sentinel cells such as macrophages and dendritic cells. They're also found on non-immune cells such as fibroblast cells and epithelial cells. Toll-like receptors, however, do not only serve the innate immune system. They rather function as an interface between the innate and adaptive immune system. Through dendritic cells, toll-like receptors play part in the initiation and modulation of adaptive immune responses, T helper cell subset differentiation, and immune tolerance.
How are toll-like receptors activated? The toll pathway is activated by different stimuli, such as gram-positive bacteria, fungi, and virulence factors. Toll-like receptors are able to recognize different microbial components. For example, cell surface toll-like receptors mainly recognize components such as lipids, lipoproteins, and proteins. And intracellular toll-like receptors recognize nucleic acids derived from bacteria and viruses.